Hello guys, welcome today to our channel Let's Code, and we have a series of MCQs going on for our exams. Okay, so which are very near. So this series is about object oriented programming in Java. Okay, so let's do some MCQs on exception handling. Okay, so let's start our today's MCQ. Okay, MCQ session. Let's start. Okay, so first of all, try to answer on your own and then check your answer. Okay. Okay, so this is our first question, which asks which block is always executed after the try block, regardless of whether an exception was thrown or not. So try to answer it. Yes, it is finally block. Okay, so let's start our. Okay, let's move on to our next question, which is which keyword is used to manually throw an exception in Java. So it is answered. You can check it is throw keyword. Okay. So let's move on to our next question, which asks you in which scenario is a null pointed exception thrown. So generally, a null pointed exception is thrown when trying to access an object that has not been initialized. Okay. So let's move on to our next question that asks you that what is the purpose of finally block in exception handling. So finally block is used to do what? That to execute important code regardless of exception occurrence. Okay. So whether or not catch block executes or not, the finally block will every time execute. Okay students, let's move on to our next question. So which of the following classes is at the top of the exception hierarchy in Java? So at the top of exception hierarchy, we have the throwable class. Okay. So then it is further divided into two, that is error and exception. Okay. Further, the exception classes are subdivided into various types of exceptions. So let's move on to our next question, which asks what does the throws clause in a method declaration indicate? So a throws clause will declare what? The exception in the method might throw. Okay, so let's move on to our next question. Which type of exception must be either caught or declared in the method signature? So in the method signature, checked exceptions are declared or either caught. Okay, so that's end our session for today. Okay, let's meet next. Okay, so please stay tuned. Please subscribe, like and share. Okay, for best results. Thank you. Bye bye.